Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomial Exercise 2.5 15 sum. Let's see the question. Give possible expression for length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which areas are given. So area is given. Area means L into B is given. You know that area is L into B. So L into B is given in the form of 25A square minus 35A plus 12. Here this is a square number, but here this is not a square number. We need to factorize this to check with which we need to have a multiplied form, that is L into B. So you need to get into a L into B form. For that I need to factorize it. For factorization only splitting the middle term can be done, because here A square, here A and a constant term. If you get a square number, then A form, then a constant form, we can do only splitting the middle term. For splitting the middle term, the question is 25A square minus 35A plus 12. As there is a coefficient of x square, you need to multiply with the constant. So 25 into 12, I get 300. For 300, I need to split it to get minus 35. If I take 10, 30s are, I am not getting 35, so 15 20s are. 15 20, yes, if I had, because here is plus, so if I add, I get plus 300, but here it is minus 35. For that reason we should have a minus sign on both the thing. Multiply and check. Minus into minus will become plus 300. As there is minus sign in both the thing, we need to add. If I add, I get 25 with the greater number sign of minus. Now it is 25A square minus 20A minus 15A plus 12. Now I need to take common in both the thing. I need to take a common outside in the first two and common outside in the next two. If I take common outside, my common of 25 and 20 is 5. If you don't know how to take common outside, just prime factorize both the terms. You will get a common number in both the term. That can be taken outside, and common of A square A is, yes, the least power you need to take outside. 5 into 5 will give you 25. A into A will give you A. Plus into minus, 5 4s are, already A has come out, so leave it off. Always write the bracket first and think of the number which can be written outside. Here minus, so minus, because there is no minus inside. 5 into 3s are 15. So multiply and check. It is 15A, minus into minus will become plus, 4 3s are 12. The common bracket write once and the outside number in another bracket. I have factorized the given polynomial. It is in the multiplied form which I want in L into B form. So I have got a L into B form. But this can be L or this can be B. Anyway, this can be. So if I take this to be L, my B will be equal to 5A minus 3. L into B. If I take this to be L, because in multiply it can be in any order. This can be also in first and it can be in the second. So it can be in any order. This can be my L. If this is my L, then this will be my B. So both the thing, the answer is correct. You need to show both the answers, because anything can be L or anything can be B. Now we'll move on to the second one. The second one, the question is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. The same way, there is y square coefficient, so we need to multiply. If I multiply 35 into 12, I get 420. I need to multiply to get, I want two numbers. Wait, I need to multiply to get 420, then subtract to get 13. The number can be, if it's 10, it's 42, 20, 21, no, because I need to subtract. So 15, 28. So if I multiply, I get minus 420, and for 13, yes, but the sign here, it is minus, so I want one minus and one plus. Always write this sign in the greater number. This is a greater number, so always write this the number, greater number, this sign to the greater number, and this will become minus. So minus 15 plus 28. Multiply and check, you will get minus 420. Subtract, I get plus 13. Now substitute the number here. 35y square minus 15y plus 28y minus 12. If I take common outside, my common will be 5y. 5 sevens are 35. Y minus 5 threes are 15. Now the bracket should be same as I told before. So what number can be? 7 fours are 28. So 4. Multiply and check. 7 fours are 28. Why? If I multiply this 2, I get minus 12. So always it's better to write a bracket first so that it will be easy. You will not do any mistake. Now write the common bracket once and the outside in another bracket. So I have factorized it. It is in L into B form, but you can take anything to be L and anything to be B. If I take 7y minus 3 as my L, my B will be equal to 5y plus 4. If my L is equal to 5y plus 4, then my B will be equal to 7y minus 3. This is the final answer for the last sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.